Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Pasquini Livietta espresso machine. Now for this machine we did quite a little bit of work as we had to replace the water pump of this machine. This is from 2000. We had to replace the pressure stud. This is the original pressure stud of the machine, mechanical. And we had to replace all the wiring, including the power switches, as they were completely burned out by the wiring. It was wired wrong, not 100% sure. Some of the wiring did not really make a lot of sense. Some of the insulation as well got completely burned. So we had to replace everything, including the power core of this machine. So we've been testing this machine for 3 days approximately, making sure that the power connections were good, that there was no leaks coming out from the boiler, and that everything was working the way it's supposed to. So starting with 1 shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing this beautiful machine. Then we're gonna be using the steam. We ran out of water of the heat exchanger. There you go, nice gentle steady stream coming out from the group head. And now, while the pour is a little bit fast, we see a nice steady stream coming out from the portafilter. No leaks coming out from the baskets, even on before our failed attempts where we were not getting any flow, we were not getting any kind of grips, leaks or anything. But now we're having a nice steady stream coming out from the group head. Good shot of espresso, great crema, working great. Steam for this machine, you can see nice pressure. And machine pressurizing the way it's supposed to. So there you have it, Olympia Pasquini Livietta working once again. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.